All right, I'm in my studio. I'm in my film studio. I'm in my studio, my art studio, where I do my artwork. All right, we talking about Fox 45. I was making a movie about Baltimore. Baltimore Rewired. The money behind the machine. Fox 45. Jane Miller. Keith Daniels. I filed lawsuits and they keep dropping my lawsuits. They don't give me my access to the courts. So since you won't give me access to the court, I did it through Fox 45. I'm giving it to you through Fox 45. Project Baltimore.
Tiger King fans, listen up. Which A-lister will be playing the Tiger King himself? Joe Exotic.
Tiger King. We talking about Tiger King. Tiger King got 34 million hits. Tiger King got 34 million hits. This movie that I'm making, Baltimore Rewired, I got 13 years that Fox 45 got. Fox 45 got a flash drive yesterday. And this is what it's all about. I'm voted Baltimore's best 2016. You see me? I'm still standing. All right? The county crime rate steadily goes down. This is from 1986. All right? During the Bill Clinton's crime bill. Bill Clinton's crime bill. That's when Kwasi Mfumi first got in the office. All right? He's doing a documentary. And Governor O'Malley had this. Governor O'Malley had this. That's Governor O'Malley, Anthony Brown, that's Shorty, Baltimore County Detention Center. I was blowing the whistle on the corruption in your courts, and y'all left me in jail. My lawyer had this DVD. This DVD, now Fox 45 got it on a flash drive. I gave it to Rachel Aragon yesterday, and you see me talking to Elijah Woods today. That flash drive got this on it. This is Baltimore County Detention Center. All right? 2011. Revenge is a best served code. This is 9 years old. I was kidnapped by the state because I was making a movie about your prison industry and the Democratic Party. That's March 2011. Civil Division received the Circuit Court of Baltimore City. That's Judge Pearson. I respectfully request the return of all my material pleaded in front of your court. Case number. All right? Case number 2400-09191. That was for a $54 million lawsuit. And it was evidence against the Democratic Party. It's about Clarence Mitchell Jr., Kiefer Mitchell. It was about Kiefer Mitchell and how he sold out the black community to Governor Hogan. That's Frank Conway's office. Received. All right, that's Frank Conway's office. Frank Conway destroyed a lot of evidence. Frank Conway destroyed a lot of evidence. That's me. Catonsville, Wade Avenue. Y'all had me in Spring Grove Medical Hospital. You got 238 videos on, yeah. Judge Pearson, Clarence Mitchell Courthouse. Judge Pearson had this knowledge and Judge Pearson had this evidence and Judge Pearson didn't do nothing because it was exposing the judges, the lawyers that get paid off of this. I went to y'all in 2009. I want no misunderstandings. I went to y'all in 2009, Baltimore City Courts, 1402 Lochner. All right, motion for a public hearing. All right, I filed my paperwork. My paperwork is in order. This right here, from 2011, on the back of it, that's Linda Dodge, parole and probation. Payoff of $40,000 to fix a case. Jeremy Stemmick. All right. Judge Peter Raskin, Stephen Moore, Valerie Fox, ANC Bank, all right, PNC Bank, all right, Innocent, all right, Leon Rockingham Jr., the mayor of mayor of North Chicago, right there. This is the legal notice. I told you, I'm a lawyer. And I filed my paperwork with the courts long before I got locked up. Certified 2009. Governor O'Malley had it. Governor Quinn had it. The Attorney General of Maryland. The Attorney General of Illinois. And President Obama. President Obama asked for an investigation. I was locked up in Illinois. I went home on vacation, came back on probation. And that's President Obama. Please allow 30 to 60 days. Kwasi and Fumi sitting in Congressman Cummings' seat. I gave Congressman Cummings my whistleblower's application. The Baltimore Sun got this Pulitzer Prize. That Pulitzer Prize need to go in the garbage. That's the Baltimore Sun, Commode Motion. This is to prove I was making a movie about racism in the judicial system. I named the judges, the lawyers, and the politicians that get paid to lock up Black Baltimore City and Black Baltimore County. This is an email from Dee Dee Shortman at AOL.com. You see the people in the email? Jerome Stevens, Senator Cardin's office. All right? Cardin's office. You see that? I don't want nobody left out of this. That's 2009. Income tax evasion. Shellenberger refuses to prosecute. All right? Shellenberger should have done this in 2008. Federal and state violations by Bank of America, SunTrust Bank. Yeah. Right here. To whom it may concern. Dear Madam, I was locked up in another state and y'all couldn't run business while I was locked up. That's the Congressman Dutch Rupersberger, Congressman Cummings, Stephen Moore, Chief of Staff. All right, Washington, D.C. Dear Mr. Saunders, I just received your letter. All right. Carl Snowden. These are the people that knew about it. Carl Snowden, 200 St. Paul Street. Detective Collins, Internal Affairs, 2324 Kirk Avenue. Rob Fix, Film and Television, 59 Bailey Bank Road. Paul D. Wolf, Public Defender. Department of Corrections, Mr. McGee. Senator Cardin, Commissioner Bailfield, States Attorney Bernstein, Judge Pearson, Bill Henry Jr., Justin Burke, Postal Inspectors, FBI, Fox 45. Fox 45, Cam Parks and Jennifer Gilbert. Jennifer Gilbert hosted an event for me, where they auctioned me off for $1,500. Jennifer Gilbert, the controller. All this is on court record. All right, Bank of America, Patricia Cook. All right. We the people of the United States, the amendments of the Constitution. I hand wrote all this. This is a handwritten everything. I didn't have a copier, and I broke you down. States Attorney Schellenberger has full knowledge of my documentary. Documentary was about Schellenberger. These are the constitutional amendments. I wrote them out. I got them handwritten. Subpoena the witnesses. Wendell T. Gordon, Governor's Office, Minority Affairs. All right? Governor O'Malley. Yeah. I got everything I need for all of y'all. Because I was making a movie. Case number. All right? These are the cases. I was given the address from Kwame Wilmington, NAACP Law Fellowship. All right? That's the NAACP. I was doing this while I was in jail. All this is legal. I was a political prisoner. And I was exposed in the justice system behind the war on drugs. This violent system that y'all say that we living in. That's Thomas Saunders. That's my lawyer. My lawyer tried to get me to plead guilty to this. All right. I have been an advocate since 1986. State Illinois versus Dwayne Davis. It's about the war on drugs. Political activist. That's my lawyer. That's my lawyer. That's the law library. Because I spent a lot of time in the law library. All right. A lot of time in the law library. See that? Attorney-client privilege. I was making a movie, and this is one of the people in the movie. That's my movie release, the Shorty documentary. That's Craig Taylor from Waukegan, Illinois. That's Hazel Norman. Miss Hazel is up in Pennsylvania now. Miss Hazel's still alive, and she's a witness to all this. Because me and Miss Hazel was making a movie. It was about race and racism on Falls Road. Hazel Norman. All right, this is when I got locked up. 2/9/2011. Filed for public defender. I never got a public defender until March. Y'all held me illegally. I had to write this on papers that I had. That's my DD 214. I'm an honorably discharged veteran. All right, I got this all lined up, and I got my studio ready, because here goes the diary from Illinois. (12/29/07). I got a jailhouse from Illinois, jailhouse from Maryland, and we talking about crime and justice with Fox 45. Like I said, the Baltimore Sun got the Pulitzer Prize. Baltimore Sun participated in this fraud. And anything y'all said about you, I'm going to say to your face. Summertime coming. Spring ain't over yet. You got to deal with me from May, June, July, August, September, October, November. You got me for 7 more months. How much of this can you stand? I got a podcast I got to get ready for, 8 o'clock. And I'm getting ready to call my son, so we won't be doing a video of this. Go to Anchor FM, Society Shame. Today is Trifling Tuesdays. I'm going to show you how trifling your Democratic Party is. Trifling Tuesdays for these trifling politicians.